how to turn off security delay on your iPhone. Now this is a new feature by iPhone for iOS 17 and above. Now security delay prevents someone from making changes to settings that can lock you out of your iPhone or Apple ID account. Now the way to remove this is very simple. All you need to do is first you need to go to your settings, and after you go to your settings you need to scroll down till you find your passwords. I'm sorry, that's the wrong one. After you go to your settings, you need to go to general, and then you need to check your software. Now make sure that your software is fully updated to its latest, and then what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to your Face ID and passcode. Now put in your passcode, and there you will see a feature called stolen device protection. Now you need to turn this off. Now after you turn this off, as you can see, I did not set up my security delay earlier, so it's showing me the pop-up right now. But all you need to do is you need to turn this stolen device protection off. Now you will require Face ID. After you turn this on, your security delay will stop working. Now here you can see you need to start security delay. Now just turn this off and then your security delay will go away. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.